Silence and smile. Those are two powerful tools. Never say busy to the one who need you. It's hurt them a lot. It's nice to have someone who simply asks, "How was your day?" Sometimes the wrong choices bring us to the right places. I just wanna go someplace where no one knows my name. You cannot make someone understand a message they are not ready to receive. The happiest people are the givers, not the takers. Be happy, you never know how much time you have left. Time does not change people. Time reveals the real face of people. I don't hurt other because I know how it feels. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Forget the past but remember the lesson. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.